Hello friends, good morning to all of you. Today I am going to say topic is earning money. It is very important and required for all. That's why I am telling this topic to all of money. Nowadays earning money is a difficult task compared to spending money. I am not talking about rich people because rich people are quite different and they earn a lot because it is said, it is well said, money begets money. So they can earn by investing the money. But I am talking about middle class people. It is very difficult to earn money nowadays for middle class people honestly because those who are cheating, those who are doing different kinds of itsy work, they can earn easily. But if we talk about teacher, sincere teacher who is teaching students honestly and giving tuitions and home tuitions and other kinds of work, he is not getting good amount in a salary. Even some parents don't want to pay him honestly and sincerely. Sometimes they deduct their salary, deduct their fees, and sometimes they don't want to pay. And some parents told them they would pay later and future, but they don't pay. So if we talk about some street vendors, uh, rich people and other people go with bargaining and they don't want to pay for his and her hard work. So it is very difficult for middle class people to earn the money. And if we talk about educated middle class people, it is very difficult task because they have got education, they have got higher education, but it is very difficult to find the job easily on the basis of their education. And whenever they are not having any kinds of job, so they start teaching students, they start giving teaching in students at home also, and they open their institute, small level coachings, because they are not having any other work after completing their education. So such kind of people are also facing to earn the money. And nowadays uh, earning money is becoming difficult task for all middle class people. And if we talk about poor people, they can do any kinds of work, so they can survive on the basis of their daily basis earning also. But for the middle class people, if they are educated, they are well educated, they can't do small work, they can't open tea stall, they can't open retail corner, even they can't sell anything publicly. So they have to face problem. Suppose they have completed their education by engineering, by MBA, and by other kinds of work, and if they are not getting selection through the campus, so they have to struggle to get a good job. And whenever they get a small job, so they are not paid on the basis of their hard work. So they have to struggle. And if we talk about small town, small cities, many educated people are unemployed nowadays. They are not getting job. Even government is not taking seriously because governments are not having more job as a government, and population of India is more than even population of educated people is growing day by day. So, and one more thing is that they can do business, small business, but capital is required. Some are having capital, some are not having capital. Those who are having capital, they can start business, but everything start from zero. As everything start from zero, so by the small amount they can start their business, but pre-plan is required, everything is required, and patience is also required. All the successful businessmen behind a struggle story of struggling. They reached on top by their hard work, effort, and it took a lot of time to be the successful businessman. But youngers don't think like that. Some youngers are not serious about job. Whenever they need money, they demand from their parents, and whenever their parents are fulfilling their all the requirements, so they no need to earn the money. If they can and they can do small job, so they want a good job, they are having a big dream. They don't want to do the itsy and small work. Even they don't want to teach also children surrounding of their colony, surrounding of their ward and surrounding of their city. Even whenever they need money, they demand for parents. Even whenever they go to the college, so they demand a bike, mobile and other expensive and costly things. If their parents are not able to provide these all the things, so they don't study in a proper way. So nowadays it is very difficult. Earning is a very difficult task. That's why I have made this video. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आता है तो इसको लाइक और शेयर करें और यदि आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब करें।